Bonnie from bonniescreativeplace.stampinup.net, and today we are still working on our little quick tips and tricks on Monday for the stamparatus. So I've got another quick little tip to show you today. Okay, so remember when we stamped this on the very first Monday, the owl? And I'm going to line it back up right where we had it before. And I'm going to put this stamp, or this here, and I'm going to put this one up here. Oops. Oh, I already made a mistake. See, the owl's a rubber stamp. We have to remove this. So I'm going to line this up on the 1-inch line right there. And I'm going to put this there. That happens. Sometimes you forget and you go back and forth between rubber and non-rubber. And you're not going to believe what I did. This is the first time I've done this because I've been doing all these videos. I had this too close to the other stamp and this busted. It broke right there. So just to let you know, they do break if they get too close together. So you can buy replacements for them. I will have a replacement and I'll have to replace this one. All right, so let's get back to the tip. So I want this to have a hoot right underneath this, just like that. Have a hoot on Halloween. But I also want this boo. I don't know, maybe I want the boo over here. No, I kind of want the boo right here, maybe. Yeah, I don't know. I want the boo right here. And sometimes when you're stamping, you can't, to position things right where you want them to go is very hard. Especially if you're doing multiples or if you're just doing one. This gives you a chance. You can always try it on a scrap piece of paper first, then try it on this, on your good project. So, I've got them down. Oh, I still have a stamp on here from before. All right, I got that down. I'm going to go over. I'm going to pick these up. And I'm having them over here on this side. So now I'm just going to lightly stamp these. You don't want to push, you know, you don't want to push too hard when you're stamping. You get gook all over your stuff. And that's the advantage of having the stamparatus. If you don't push hard enough, you could do it again. And then we're going to stamp these down, apply pressure, pick them up, and there we have them. They're right where I want them. So they're all ready for when I got to do another card. So it's great. You could put words up here. You can do lots of things. So that was my quick tip with the stamparatus today. Come back because I have another one for you. Bye-bye. Give me the like, subscribe,